Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. We're bringing you a walk around condition video today. We've got a super cool truck, if you haven't already noticed. 06 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT, loaded truck, sunroof, southern truck, one owner, Ming Blue, which is a super rare navy blue color. Look back at all my videos and I've never even had one. I know on the forums they're highly sought after. Look at that shine. Little glass challenge. But anyways, yeah. 06. And the first thing we're going to talk about in 06, which is a common misconception, is whether this is an LLY or an LBZ. So first we're going to pop on the VIN there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit is a 2, which signifies an LLY motor. Here's what most people don't know. LLY got completely revamped in 05, and in 06, the LLYs are the exact same as the LBZs. The EPA just did not have their tuning approved yet. So an 06 LLY is an LBZ down to every last nut and bolt, tranny, everything. It just doesn't have the 50 horsepower LBZ tune. So 06 LLY, and newsflash, we're tuned on Starlite. So this truck technically is an LLY, but it's an LBZ, 6-speed 06. We're gonna fire it up. It shouldn't be too warm. I did take a couple pictures. Yeah, it's not at op temp, but as you can see here, I'm trying to focus, we are registering it. I drove it around, I'm not lying to you guys. It's not cold, it's not warm, is what it is. Truck runs and drives amazing. Like I said, we are tuned on Starlite EFI Live with a 5-position switch over here. EGR deleted truck. LT2, or it's an SLT, sunroof truck. It's got your overhead console, home link, slider works, tilt and slide. You've got OnStar, we've got all the good options. I know it's sunny out today, my ankles are going to be weird, and I got a train coming by. Everyone wave to them. Trailer brakes, aftermarket trailer brakes are included. You've got all your steering wheel volume controls, which all still work. Good tunes, ice cold AC. The truck came out of Oklahoma, so it's a southern truck, and the AC is phenomenal, ice cold. 4-wheel drive, push button 4-wheel drive works great. Fog lights, heated seats, all of them work great. Super hot, all the power windows, locks, memory seats, it all works. Upgraded to the LML Denali style tow mirrors. They have LED turn signals, power heated, everything. They look sharp. We tinted the windows. The interior is phenomenal. Look at this leather condition. I mean, it's not new. It's still an 06, guys. Still a 15-year-old truck, but phenomenal condition. I mean, the miles, we didn't even go over it. What were they? 166,588, which is really good miles for a 6-speed LBZ LLY truck. I mean, this is considerably low. I know there's some out there with 30 and 40K for 50 grand. I mean, these trucks are getting harder to find every day. It's just an equation that's going in this direction. So we ask a lot for them, but we sell them. People appreciate them. This is what I drive. I love these trucks. I tow with them. So that's, you know, we sell what we believe in. So all full power heated seats, up down lumbar adjustment, factory floor liners. We'll get a better look at that switch. So as you can see, it is a 5-position switch. 1 is stock, optimized stock. 2 is economy. 3 is tow. 4 is street. 5 is Ricky Bobby mode, race. It's all trans safe, Starlite tuning, switch it on the fly. And I didn't put it in there yet, but I will put your tune instructions up there, just what 1 through 5 represent. So top of the line EFI Live, we just installed it. Let's go under the hood. Let's take a better look around at this driver's seat leather. It's been repaired. It's brand new. It has no cracks or tears in it. A little bit of dirt discoloration on there, but nothing crazy. All in all, this is a super clean truck inside. All right, moving on to under the hood. 100% stock. 15-year-old trucks have emission issues, so as you can tell, the EGR is gone. It has been EGR deleted. Other than that, it's a stock truck, stock intake, stock everything. Stock truck with an EGR delete. That's a pretty reliable Duramax there. We'll check it for some blow-by, even though Duramaxes, they really don't have blow-by, but they kind of just go when they go type deal. All good under the hood. Look at that Ming Blue metallic shining. I'm going to take you through the condition of this truck and try to get it as good as possible for you. It's really nice, but it's not perfect, just like any 160K 15-year-old truck. You got normal little dings and dents. Starting on the front bumper here, you see some scuffs on that corner there. A couple scuffs across it. Some minor chrome peelage in the grille there, because it's not real chrome. We did update brand new black housing style headlights with clear corners. Matter of fact, I want to turn these lights on because we got some cool tail lights too. I want to show you the LEDs. You know, we always do the LED lights on everything. We can't help it. Wheels. I missed it in the last video. They're called Mayhem Essex 20x12 -44 black and milled gloss. We ceramic coated them since they're brand new. Mayhem Essex Ant Terrain Pro tire, 33/12/50/20. Actually, this is a 33/12/50/20 LT 10 ply load range E. That is a 60,000 mile warranty tire, brand new. We warranty them for 60,000 miles. Whole new front end, ball joints, uppers, lowers, tire rod, inner, outer, pitman arm, idler arm. All the suspension up front is brand new. All the steering is brand new with alignment, wheels and tires. So this thing drives phenomenal. Like I said, we did the 18 LML Denali style tow mirrors with signals. They have the rain guards. Normal rock chips. It's a country truck, so you got some rock chips down low. I mean, you guys can see the condition of this paint. It speaks for itself. You're seeing it in the sun here, but it's like glass. Rockers and cab corners are original. Now, the only rust on this truck is on the bottom of this rocker right there. And it's pretty minimal. It's a spot the size of my finger. It just started to go. Now, these are not rusty. They've never been replaced. They're original. You can see a little surface down low on this one in a couple of spots. Nothing major, but this is the only bad spot on the truck. I'll take you everywhere else rust forms, and that's the worst of it. So if you can deal with that, this is a sick truck. SLT. Let me get the camera adjusted here again. We've got the rear controls for radio, volume, headsets, cup holders, center armrest. No TV on this. Every option but the drop-down TV. Spray and bed liner too. Previous owner had a hardcore fifth wheel, so if you're pulling a camper, this thing has a hitch in it that looks tough. I didn't get the top hitch, I just got the mounts, so pretty easy to cross-reference what this is. If you're looking for a camper puller, you can go buy the top half of the hitch and be on the road in no time. Okay, bed rails. There you have them. Now, you really can't see well. It's kind of dark down here. There you go. That one doesn't really show well. The hitch is kind of in the way. This one will show you better. They got light surface on them, but this truck, like I said, it's a one-owner Oklahoma truck. It's never seen the snow. Might have been on some vacations, but it lived in the South. Normal stuff for an 06 as far as, oh, sorry guys, I'm getting my camera. As far as surface is concerned, but structurally solid. All right, let's get out of there. Get focused in again. focus. What do we got here? There we go. So, smoked LED third brake, and we have C-bar LED tail lights. Super cool. They look real nice, kind of that updated modern. They look pink. I'm telling you, they're dark. They look red. They're nice at night. Just really sunny out right now, so they look odd. Don't cause any issues. All the LEDs have resistors and work great. Tailgate's dang near flawless. Sans a little dinger right there. Backed up into something. A little hitch caught it or something. I don't know. We put a brand new black bumper on the rear. It just looks nice. We were blacking everything out. Kind of just decided to do it. Let's poke our heads in that bed one more time. Full-on Line-X kit. Or Rhino liner. Done by the dealer there. Sprayed on. And it does have your plug there. If you're towing gooseneck or fifth wheel. So you can plug in your 7-pin in the bed. I like this truck for pulling campers. 3/4 ton long bed. Screams camper puller on it. The only damage I see a little ding right there. Let's kind of go in on it. It's not even really a ding. It's just a slight inconsistency in that body line. Stock exhaust. This truck is 100% stock, except for the EGR delete and the tunes we did. We tuned the truck in-house. This truck was never tuned, never had an aftermarket part on it until we got our hands on it. So just modifications we've done in-house. They have 15 miles on them at best, guys, and it runs and drives great on the tuner. Just get you a condition update on this side, so you can say you saw it. Again, really great, minor surface rust, but I mean for a Chevy, that's a survivor. That is clean. Duramax guys know these trucks just rust. Even the California, I mean, there's even an Oklahoma one. It's got rust, pretty dang minimal, about the same as mine. I like the condition in miles though, way cleaner than mine. It's got your factory jack down there under the seat and everything. Let's take a look on the bottom side so you can see this Oklahoma. Look at that frame. Beautiful. Oh, hold on a sec. Camera issues. Sorry guys, we're getting it figured out. Bear with me. Alright, I've been taking up a lot of your time, but this is a cool truck, guys. I know I've said it, one owner, Southern truck, LLY 06. So it has the 6-speed. It is an LBZ, but technically we're going to call it an LLY, so we don't make anyone mad. But 06 6-speed Duramax, 3/4 ton, fully loaded sunroof, one owner, Ming Blue, $3,000 in wheels and tires, brand new put on it, all the things done, all new suspension, leather. Guys, we put our blood, sweat, and tear into these trucks, and we do them upright. This is a turnkey driver for anyone looking for a reliable diesel. And I mean, we stand behind them. This is a great truck. If you're interested, head on over to my website, 816diesel.com. You're going to find VIN, picture, all the information I went over today is listed on there. Anything you need to get a loan on this truck or any questions you might have will be answered on the website. Call me, text me. My name's Cameron. I'm one of the owners. My phone number is 913-735-3748. Let me know if you want to come see it. If you got any questions, just let me know. Get a hold of me, guys. I appreciate your time as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. We got more Duramaxes, LBZs, Power Strokes, Cummins. We got it all coming up. Even a quad. We got cool stuff always. So head on over there, and thanks for your time, guys. Have a great rest of your week.